we had Charlie Casanova here, which proved to be a very, very difficult film on its release, and a film that generated an inordinate amount of hostility, almost cancerous rage. But when we screened here in Galway, we were at a late night screening. It was the second last night of the last night. We were in this heavily crowded, sweating box of this gorgeous theatre, and I had no idea if people were responding to it or not. I had no idea what was happening. And then the credits started to roll, and then you heard the first sound of the first seat, and the second seat, and the third seat. You went, okay, people are leaving fast. Turned out they weren't leaving. Turned out it was a standing ovation. And we won the Best First Feature Award. And to be in a position where a film that would subsequently be so treated with such hostility, because the film was designed to generate hostility, to be in Galway, where that hostility was not seen as a weakness, but was seen as a cause for embrace, and where the film's very obvious metaphors about our society were embraced rather than rejected, makes you realize that Galway, aesthetically, in terms of ethos, in terms of intellectualism, in terms of politics, in terms of anarchy, in terms of everything, basic humanity. I think, and I hate to say this because there are so many other things that you've got to place second by saying it, but I think it's the greatest festival in the world.